All right, at this point here, I've got the chuck head assembly off of the base. As you can see, there's some slop. Look how far this thing moves before this thing starts to move at all. But this right here is the swarf that builds up underneath. It starts to, everywhere there's swarf, it's going to grind away and it's going to take away the precision of it. The grinding head assembly is right here. So what we have here is the gearbox assembly. The chuck, I've already taken the chuck apart. There's ball bearings that are in here. You can set the depth that the valve goes in, and you can set how tight you need it for different size valve stems. This is the pivot point. Motor seems to be in good shape. These motors, you get an extra set of brushes with this thing. This has only got one, and the one that's on here is cracked. It looks like it's still there from when the factory did, but with this cover that's cracked, which is right here, swarf has just gotten into every place that you don't want it to be. Kind of like, just think of your swimming trunks when you go to the beach, if you've ever been to the beach, and you get caught up in the surf and the sand gets everywhere, and it doesn't feel good. So that part there I'll clean up. This part here is the head, the grinder head assembly. I'll get this removed here. And by the way, to take this off, there's one bolt that's right here, and then there's a small, like all thread, I think it's a 5/16 thread that comes up. Those are the only two places that this thing is attached here. So very, very easy to take off. Disconnect all your wires. You'll have two wires connected to this. You'll have the main power cable coming to it, and then you'll have this wire here that goes to that switch right here. Okay.